If you want to permanently delete your Kayak account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your account is removed successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Kayak website or app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or account section of the website or app. Step 3. Find account deletion option. Look for the option related to account deletion or deactivation. This may be listed under privacy settings or account management. Step 4. Follow deletion instructions. Carefully read the instructions provided for deleting your account. You may need to confirm your decision by entering your password or responding to an email verification. Step 5. Confirm deletion. After following the necessary steps, confirm that you want to delete your account. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been scheduled for deletion. Once you have completed these steps, your Kayak account will be permanently deleted. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Kayak's customer support for assistance.